Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to create Chase bank account online. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Chase Bank. Click on this first website over here. And here we can see this option called open an account. You can also choose the type of account you want here as well. Simply click on continue if you want saving account. Now click on open account over here. So we need to follow these 3 steps here, and if you are our Chase customer already, click on yes, and if not, simply click on no, and let's click on next. Now we need to enter all of our details, including your personal details, identification details, and your address and your contact information. Once you are done with all of the details here, simply tick mark to confirm the terms and conditions. Simply click on next, after which the verification of all of our details will be done. After which our account will finally be created. So this is all we can do to create an online account of Chase Bank. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.